Hi, I'm Brian Calhoun with RTA Architects, and we're standing at the Pikes Peak Summit Visitor Center, which we designed. On this project, we use PermaTrak North America. This is a unique location, over 1 million visitors each year. Part of our sustainability goals on this project was to take those 1 million visitors and put them on hardened pathways so they weren't wandering aimlessly across the summit of Pikes Peak. PermaTrak offered a great product that met our challenging environmental needs with winds that exceed over 270 miles an hour, temperatures that dip down below -40 degrees. It's an extreme environment, and PermaTrak handles that very well. PermaTrak provided us a rough textured surface to prevent slippage. The color that they provided, custom color, matches the Pikes Peak granite seamlessly. Overall, PermaTrak was an excellent solution that provided a durable product that couldn't be matched with any other system. PermaTrak helped us achieve all our sustainability goals, and we hope to specify them on projects in the future.